This is meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Wednesday. It's the 30th day of October, 2024. Very dry month across the mid-Atlantic and northeastern states. And just towards the end of the Yankee game last evening, the Yankees against the Dodgers, there was just a little bit of light rain showers moving down from the northwest, but they started just as quickly and ended just as fast. But elsewhere across the nation, there's a lot of weather that we're going to talk about on this cast today. We have record warmth that's expanding into the eastern U.S. Temperatures will be in the 70s across the northeast corridor today, near 80 in many spots. In the lower 80s on Halloween Thursday, and then even after the frontal system moves through on Thursday night, early Friday, which could result in a few light showers. We get into fair conditions on Friday with highs of 70 to 75, but also into the weekend fair but dry conditions continue for Saturday and Sunday, both days highs 50s to lower 60s, nighttime lows in the 30s to near 40. And we fall back as far as the clocks are concerned. We set our clocks back 1 hour before retiring on Saturday evening as a return to Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. In the meantime, though, we have severe thunderstorms, and they're likely across portions of the central and southern plain states, as well as the mid-Atlantic and lower Mississippi River Valley today and this evening. The potent storm system located over the central and northern Rockies will continue to produce moderate to heavy snow across some high elevations of Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, and even sections of Montana tonight into most of Wednesday evening and Thursday. Some of that colder air combined with the type of significant moisture could cause quite a bit of snow in some of those higher elevations out in the central and northern Rockies. Now, out ahead of the storm, a cold front that's bringing snow to parts of the central and northern Rockies is a surge of unseasonable warmth that's gradually expanding eastward from the central U.S. right to the eastern seaboard, as I've mentioned. It looks like we're going to have dry and very warm conditions in many places across the Tennessee Valley, southeast states, mid-Atlantic, and even into New England into Thursday and Friday. But by Friday, we get that frontal system moving through, and it looks like we will have temperatures back to near normal this weekend. But we are going to also find temperatures near the 90-degree mark in many central and southern states, from Texas eastward all the way to the Carolinas and northern Florida during the daytime Wednesday and Thursday, probably right in through Friday as well. If you are flying on this Wednesday, airline hub weather down in Atlanta looking pretty good. The frontal system will be arriving, though, on Thursday, so it could cause some delays into Atlanta and into Charlotte, but Charlotte's looking pretty good for Wednesday and Wednesday night. Also great weather for Newark, New York, LaGuardia, JFK, and even up to the Boston area, Albany, and even up into central and northern New England, as looks like 1 day of very warm conditions will be there, but that frontal system will be arriving during the evening on Wednesday, and that will bring some showers. Central and South Florida also looking good. Tampa, St. Pete, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, all looking fine weather-wise, but heavy thunderstorms are possible in Houston and in Dallas-Fort Worth, so there could be significant delays into those places. Also looking at dry conditions across the Dakotas and also around Four Corner and down into San Diego and L.A. Decent conditions for today, but it looks like frontal system working its way into the Pacific Northwest, as they do, will bring more rainy conditions to Seattle and Portland later today and tonight. And that, of course, as I mentioned earlier, is causing snow across the central and northern Rockies during the afternoon and evening today, probably even into tomorrow as that frontal system slowly trudges through. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on the last day of October tomorrow on Thursday. Take care.